Did you know you can make money while sleeping? That's right. Passive income opportunities and side hustles can help you earn money even while you're catching those Z's. Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Loom, your go-to channel for savvy finance tips and tricks. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or build a full-time online business, finding reliable sources of online income is crucial. So let's explore 5 of the best methods to help you achieve financial freedom this year. Stick around to the end of the video because I will also give you a bonus 6 method of making money online that I don't think a lot of people are talking about yet. But before we jump into the methods, let's talk about some common obstacles people face when trying to make money online. First, there's the risk of scams. With so many fraudulent schemes out there, it's easy to fall prey to scammers trying to steal your hard-earned money. Next, there's the issue of a lack of knowledge. Many people aren't aware of the legitimate opportunities available to them, leading to missed chances. Finally, inconsistent income streams can be a significant hurdle. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Now let's dive into the 5 best ways to make money online in 2024. Number 1 is freelancing. Now this is one that won't necessarily generate income while you sleep, but freelancers can use sites like Fiverr and Upwork to create profiles showcasing their skills, bid on various projects with clients worldwide. These platforms offer a lot of different job categories like writing, photography, web development, or being a virtual assistant helping answer calls and emails. Whatever your skill set, there are a lot of opportunities to secure consistent work in your areas of expertise. Next on the list is affiliate marketing. By placing affiliate links on blogs, newsletters, forum posts, anywhere that gets a good amount of traffic, you can generate passive income as purchases are made through your links even while you're asleep, providing a continuous revenue stream. There are a lot of options for affiliate marketing programs these days, but websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank are great starting points. Now, if affiliate marketing isn't quite for you, another option is creating online courses. You can share your expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. If you have knowledge in a particular field, people are willing to pay to learn from you. And that leads us to our next option, creating a YouTube channel. By creating engaging content that is either educational, entertaining, or both, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise. While it takes some work, once you build a large enough following, the YouTube Partner Program can be a significant revenue source that can land you a nice paycheck every month. And that brings us to number 5 on the list, stock photography. If you have a knack for photography, this can be a great source of passive income. You can sell your photos on websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock and make a nice stream of consistent income. Now, all of these methods have potential for bringing in some extra cash, but remember, the key to success is diversifying your income streams to ensure stability and growth. But wait, I did tell you I would give you one more bonus method of making money online that may not be talked about a lot. Did you know that there are companies now that will pay you to help train AI? Companies like Data Annotation are paying people $20 per hour and up to work from the comfort of their home training AI systems. Now, there are some assessments to pass as part of the application process, and it's not a method that will allow you to earn money while you sleep, but it can make for a nice side income. I'll also drop a link to Data Annotation in the description if this is something that sounds interesting to you. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more money making tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite method or any questions you have. And be sure to check out our other videos for more insights on how to achieve financial freedom. We'll see you next time here on Money Loom.